What's going on, guys? And today we are going to compare Twilio and Plivo. Twilio and Plivo are two leading communication platforms that empower businesses with messaging and voice capabilities. So whether you're seeking advanced features or cost-effective solutions, this comparison will help you find the perfect fit for your communication needs. Now, let's talk about their features. Let's start with Twilio. Messaging solutions. Twilio's messaging platform enables businesses to engage customers through various channels, including SMS, MMS, and WhatsApp. With APIs designed for both transactional and conversational messaging, companies can streamline communication and enhance customer interactions. This omni-channel approach ensures messages reach users on their preferred platforms, improving engagement and satisfaction. Voice customization. Twilio's Voice API allows businesses to create tailored voice experiences with features like interactive voice response and speech recognition. This flexibility enables companies to scale their voice solutions seamlessly while gaining insights from conversations through voice intelligence. Enhanced call quality and reliable connections ensure effective communication with customers across the globe. Video infrastructure. Twilio's video capabilities empower developers to build customized video applications that reflect their brand. The platform supports various devices and browsers, offering features like virtual backgrounds and encrypted recordings. With tools for real-time performance monitoring, businesses can deliver high-quality video experiences that engage users effectively in diverse environments. Serverless solutions. Twilio's serverless offerings simplify the development of communication applications by providing a fully managed runtime environment. This allows developers to focus on building features without worrying about infrastructure management. The flexibility of Twilio's serverless architecture enables rapid deployment and scaling of applications, enhancing overall efficiency and reducing time to market. Email API integration. Twilio's SendGrid email API streamlines email communication for businesses by providing reliable delivery and advanced analytics. With customizable templates and robust tracking features, companies can optimize their email marketing strategies. This integration enhances customer engagement through targeted messaging while ensuring compliance with email standards and best practices. On the other hand, Plivo's SMS API allows businesses to send and receive text messages globally, enhancing customer engagement through reliable communication. With features like two-way messaging, SMS marketing, and automated alerts, companies can streamline interactions and improve customer satisfaction. This versatility supports various use cases, making it a powerful tool for businesses. User verification. Plivo's Verify API offers a robust solution for user authentication, ensuring secure account creation and access. With a 95% conversion rate, it effectively reduces fraud by sending one-time passwords via SMS, voice, or WhatsApp. This multi-channel approach enhances security while simplifying the user experience during verification process. WhatsApp integration. Plivo's WhatsApp Business API enables businesses to engage customers through a widely used messaging platform. This integration allows for personalized communication and automated responses via chatbots. With competitive pricing and streamlined management, companies can enhance customer service and market efforts while maintaining cost efficiency. Voice solutions. Plivo's Voice API provides businesses with customizable voice communication options, including call routing and interactive voice response. This flexibility allows companies to create tailored experiences for their customers while ensuring high-quality voice connections. With reliable infrastructure and global reach, Plivo supports effective voice communication across diverse applications. Now, let's discuss some of their drawbacks. Let's start with Twilio. High costs. One significant drawback of Twilio is its pricing structure, which can become quite expensive, especially for businesses with high messaging volumes. The usage-based model means cost can accumulate rapidly, making budgeting challenging. In comparison to competitors like Plivo, Twilio's rates for SMS and voice services are generally higher. Complex pricing structure. Twilio's pricing can be confusing due to its various rates for different services and products. Users may find it difficult to predict monthly expenses such as API has distinct costs. This complexity can lead to unexpected charges, particularly for businesses that rely heavily on multiple Twilio services. Limited analytics. Twilio's analytics capabilities are somewhat limited, primarily focusing on message delivery status without providing in-depth insights into multi-channel usage. This lack of comprehensive analytics can hinder businesses from effectively measuring campaign performance and optimizing their communication strategies, making it challenging to improve customer engagement over time. On the other hand, Plivo has limited channel support. Plivo primarily focuses on SMS and voice services, lacking support for popular messaging channels like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. This limitation may restrict businesses looking for a comprehensive multi-channel communication solution, potentially leading them to seek additional platforms for broader engagement strategies. Higher volume requirements. Plivo's pricing model often requires businesses to commit to higher volumes of messaging, starting at 200,000 units per month. This may not be suitable for smaller companies or startups with lower messaging needs, making it less accessible for those with limited budgets or fluctuating communication demands. Basic analytics features. Plivo's analytics capabilities are relatively basic compared to competitors like Twilio. While it provides essential delivery reports, the lack of advanced insights into user engagement and campaign performance may hinder businesses from optimizing their communication strategies effectively, limiting their ability to make data-driven decisions. In conclusion, the choice between Twilio and Plivo depends on your specific needs. Twilio excels in feature richness and multi-channel support, while Plivo offers cost-effective SMS solutions with straightforward pricing. Assess your business requirements to determine which platform aligns best with your communication strategy. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.